As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the quiet suburban neighborhood, Mark stood in his driveway, gazing at his beloved 2015 Genesis 5.0. Its sleek lines and powerful V8 engine had always been a source of pride for him. However, today was different. Mark had noticed an unsettling issue with his car earlier in the week, a persistent check engine light, which now blinked ominously from the dashboard. He had decided that it was the time to unravel the mystery behind this unsettling problem. Determined to uncover the root of his car's problem, Mark went into a relentless pursuit for answers. He consulted his car's manual, scoured online forums, and even attempted some DIY fixes. The electronic control unit problem remained elusive. It wasn't just a matter of inconvenience. The unresolved issue was starting to affect the car's performance. Each day, the Genesis would lose a bit of its signature because it would stay there, under a tree. Frustrated but unwilling to give up, Mark decided to visit a local Genesis dealership called ECU Team. He hoped that their professional expertise could pinpoint the problem and offer a viable solution at the dealership, assuring Mark that they would get into the bottom of the issue. After a thorough examination, faulty ECU component was the culprit. Burn damage. Such problems are common in older cars, and it was fortunate that Mark had brought his car in. Days turned into nights as he meticulously programmed the ECU, ensuring it communicated flawlessly with the car's complex systems. There you go. There you go.
I'm glad she's back.
That's good, man.